Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install horror mods on Minecraft. So Minecraft Java of course. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open a browser, then you just need to write Modrent and look for get a Modrent app and install for Windows or whatever you use, right? Install, and then what you need to do here is to download it, and then you just need to install it, okay? Wait for a couple of seconds until installation process here is done, and then you need to run a Modrent, right? First thing what you need to do here is to completely close Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher as well. Then you need to go to press on discover content, and then you need to look for mod packs, and then here you need to write developers, right? Developers, and press install. As you can see here, now is installing, and it will download the right things what you need to do here in order to play this horror mod, to play with this mod, okay? And after it's installed, you just need to press play. Of course, you need to first sign into your Minecraft account. And when you're here, you just need to press play. And basically the app will automatically decide what Minecraft basically version you need to use in order to play this game, and you don't need to worry about it or install other mods here. And so yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.